So whānau is the Māori word for family. Whānau also means to give birth. So te whānau or uanuku, I've got an example of a family tree here. So there are multiple generations, as of course, in a whānau. So you have at the top, we have Nehemia marries Mere. Ka moe a Nehemia ia Mere, so e ka puta mai ko Rāpata. So Nehemia marries Mere, and they have Rāpata, who marries Mātiria. E toko toru wārau o tamariki, they have 3 children. Ko uanuku te mātāmua, ko hinerangi te tamahine, ko moko te potiki. So they have 3 children. First born is uanuku. He tāne, T stands for tāne, which is male. They have a daughter called hinerangi, a female, wahine. And last born child is moko, who is also a tāne, or a male. There's also the cat and the dog. Ko te kupu Māori mo te dog, ko te kuri. Kuri. So that's a word for dog. And the dog's name is Pango, Pango, which simply means black. And the cat's name is Pihikete. So ko te kupu Māori mo te cat, different words for cat. Some people say ngeru, we say poti in my iwi.